Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I'm going to do some blooms today. And I wanted to show you, this is my pillow layer. This is my pouring medium. 2 parts of the Behr paint, un-tinted, to 1 part of the Miniwax polyacrylic. I put a dash of Floetrol and a dash of water in to thin it down just a little bit. I'm noticing that this was a little thick for me. And the reason I have my camera set up the way that it is because I've had a couple of people say to me, I can't see what you're doing when you blow it out. So I'm going to try and do it in a way that can be seen. So what I have is I've mixed up a phthalo green. I have a crimson. You can see how it runs off the stick. This is a permanent red. This is a gold. This is the Deco Art Extreme Sheen Gold. And my black, and this is my cell creator, which is Floetrol. 2 parts Floetrol to probably 8 or 10 drops of this Miniwax pre-stain conditioner, and then 1 part paint to 2 parts of this pouring medium. And that's my cell creator. And I've made a black, and I tested it with just the simple Master's Touch. This is a permanent black in Master's Touch. I did test it on a piece of cardboard, and it worked quite well. So I think I blew a little bit hard because it's on cardboard and a lot of the white came up, but oh, it's running still. But it made nice cells. So what I am going to do today is I've got my 6 by 6 inch tile. I've cleaned it off with alcohol already. And I am going to put a layer and then a puddle. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, I also have a color shift. This is Green Flash mixed up. I thought that'd look pretty cool with this. So I'm going to start out with my phthalo green. I'm going to put some of my Green Flash down. Go in with some of the crimson. A little bit of my gold. The permanent red. And then I am going to use my black cell creator. I did make some white cell creator as well. Put a couple of drops of that here. Don't think I need a lot. And I'm going to try and do this. I'm sitting down, so try and do this in a way that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, I hope you could see the way that I was blowing that out. Okay, move the camera a little bit so you can see me tilting. It's not quite back to the center yet. There's still a little bit of a dimple there. Give it another minute. Okay, so let's stretch this out. Get just to that edge. Then bring it back. Cover my corner. Kind of helps it stretch if you help that over a little bit. Okay. And bring it back to the center. There we go. Bring it over here. I always feel like I'm holding my breath while I do this. Bring it all the way down. That gold is coming through so pretty. I see cells that have black, then gold, then red, and green that I'm seeing all together. It's really neat. Set this down and reposition my hands. See if I can get this down to the edge. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's so pretty. Check that out, you guys. I don't know if you can see all those multicolored cells in there. They're just so cool. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Please, if you have not subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you hit the bell, you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.